Good morning, children. I welcome you all once again in my online classes. So children, in our today's session, we will discuss about the following topics. Number 1, characteristics of air. Number 2, uses of air. And the last topic that is very important, air pollution. Children, the very first characteristic of air is that air occupies space. As during your birthday, you might have observed that whenever you blow air into a balloon, it inflates. So what does it indicate? It indicates that the air takes the empty space in the balloon. In the same way, air can be filled inside the tire, football, matrix, etc. Now children, second characteristic of air is that air has weight. And this we will prove with the help of a small activity. For this activity, we require 2 identical balloons, and then we will blow a small amount of air into one balloon and a large amount of air into the other balloon. Then we will tie the balloons on both the ends of a thin stick. What we will observe then? The balloon with the more air is heavier. This shows that the air has weight. Third characteristic of air is that air exerts pressure. Children, when we press our hands against a wooden door, our hand applies a force, and the force applied to a surface area is pressure. So the air has weight, it also exerts pressure, because anything that has weight, it exerts pressure. And when the air exerts force on a surface, it is known as air pressure. And the air pressure is also used in droppers, syringes, fountain pens, sucking juice with a straw, etc. Children, another characteristic of air is that air expands on heating. For this also we will conduct a small activity to prove it. And for this we require a beaker with hot water in it. Then we will place the bottle in the beaker. Then after some time we will observe that the air inside the bottle expands due to the heat from the water, as you can easily make out from the diagram also. Uses of air. Number 1, breathing. All living things need oxygen to breathe, which is present in the air. Secondly, air is required for burning, as it contains oxygen and which is essential for burning. Third, air carries the scent of the flowers and the sound of the music. Fourth, air gives us information about the weather changes. Fifth, air helps insects to carry pollen of one flower to the other, which helps in formation of fruits in plants. Air is a very good drying agent also. We dry our clothes in air. It also dries fruits, vegetables and spices for making pickles and for storing purposes. Children, let us discuss about air pollution. So you all should know what is air pollution. Mixing of impurities with the air is known as air pollution. Or in other words, we can say making air dirty by adding harmful substances to it is called air pollution. Now there are certain causes of air pollution. Number 1, smoke and harmful gases released by vehicles, industries and factories leads to air pollution. Number 2, rapid pace of construction work also increases the dust level. Number 3, burning of garbage in the open area. Number 4, busting of crackers are some more causes of air pollution. Now, air pollution is the major cause for breathing related diseases. Lung damage, irritation in eye, headache, coughing and sneezing are some of its harmful effects. Children, we all should follow certain steps to control air pollution, as it would be beneficial for all of us. Number 1, by using clean fuels at home and in our vehicles like LPG and CNG. Secondly, by using public transport. Third, by giving preference to walking or cycling to our nearby destination. Fourth, by avoiding burning garbage in the open areas. Fifth, by switching off extra lights and fans. And the last point that is very important, by planting more and more trees to control air pollution. Okay? Thank you and have a nice day.